Welcome back everyone. In today's session we are going to see fourth step, that is presentation of data. How we present the data. In previous sessions we have seen how we collect the data. We collected different blood groups, then we made frequency table for those by tally marks, by using tally marks. So but if you represent the data in this form, then nobody can understand that easily, and it will be time consuming too. So collection, classification, analyzing. After these three steps comes presentation of data, which has to be very interesting. So for presentation of data we use different types of graphs, which you can see here. The first graph shows the birthday of students by month. So how many students were born in the month of January? You can easily say here 3 students. 3 students were born in the month of January. And how many students were born in the month of June? So you can clearly see here 10 students were born in the month of June. So by looking at the graph we can easily understand the data, what's given, what information is given in the given data. The next one you can see, it's another example of graph representation of data using graphs, where it shows the average score of T20 scoring. So every sports and every game they use graphs to show the performance of the teams. The next one you can see here, it's a pie chart, and the next one you can see is a histogram. So there are different ways which we can use to present the data in an interesting manner. So this type of graphs are used in business, in schools for showing the result of students, in sports for showing the score, and in all government organizations to show different types of data. Like recent pandemic, the pandemic which we are going through now, here you can see 2 examples of the data representation, how they have represented data. Coronavirus more likely to infect younger people in India, it seems. So we have to be very careful. Unlike other countries where older population is more vulnerable to the disease, 60% of cases in India are between 20 to 49 years. So looking at this graph you can easily understand, see here 20 to 49, the height of these bars are, you can clearly see the heights are long, and the older people are falling less likely, younger also less likely, but the age group of 20 to 49 are more likely to get infected with coronavirus. This is from the source India Today. There is another graph here, you can see India versus the world on 80th day. This is also shown graphically. So like this you see different graphs in newspapers, in magazines, in news channels. So they use graphs to show the data, because we cannot count the number of persons again and again, I already said you. So presentation of data is very important part of statistics. The second graph you can see India was somewhere here on 80th day, but I think India is jumping up because the cases are increasing day by day, and few are expecting that it may go to the first position also. May that should not happen. So it's our duty to take care of ourselves and not to be afraid of any pandemic, because one day will come we can blow off this pandemic from this world. So Finally, I say hope for the best, hold on, pain ends. Thank you.